kiddies, welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. Today we are not cooking, we are doing another grocery shopping haul, y'all. All right, so if you're new here, welcome. If you're turning, welcome back. It's always a pleasure to have you guys back here. Let's jump right in it. Alright, so Aldi is where I went. Aldi supermarket right there. And I spent a total of $91.44 today. And this is a partial part of the grocery that I found. And over here is the remainder of the groceries that I picked up that total $91.44. So let's get into it. Alright, so I did get this salmon here. I love to buy salmon in Aldi's always, and I paid $21.49 for this. This will serve up like 2 meals, depending on how fast my husband eats up this fish, okay? But yeah, that was $21.49. And that was a good finding. Like I said, Aldi's salmon is really good. And then I did pick up this butter here. I decided to use this because I'm going to do some baking, you guys. And this lady was like, try this butter. It's cheap and it's not too bad. It's lactose free. And so that sounded pretty good, like me. Okay, because you know I'm lactose intolerant, TMI. Anyway, so it was like $1.09 for this. Pretty good. All right, and I picked up some bell peppers. Right here, I can't remember how much I paid for those though, but those were pretty affordable. And it was a good finding. I picked up some pure canola oil, like if I have to fry or whatever. So that was pretty cheap as well. And then I picked up a pineapple. The pineapple was $1.89, y'all. So that was very, very affordable. And then I did get some blueberries, and I picked up some raspberries. That's what I got here. Okay, and then I picked up some blackberries. So I picked up a lot of fruits is what I got to make my breakfast in the mornings. Okay, and then I did get some strawberries here. Those were on sale as well. I did pick up this pasta here. I'm gonna make some rasta pasta. I don't know what kind of rasta pasta I'm gonna make, but I know that's why I purchased it. And then I did pick up this cinnamon raisin canola cereal. This is the one that I like. It's organic. For breakfast in the morning on oatmeal. I'll let you guys see how I prepare that for sure. And then I picked up 2 boxes of mac and cheese. 1 cucumber. That's all I wanted because sometimes the cucumber them go bad too fast. And then I got some fresh ginger. Not ginger, what am I talking about? I got some garlic because we're going to work on the blood pressure because my blood pressure has been playing games for the past couple of weeks, I'll say. So we're going to blow it with using some of that garlic right there. Now, I'm definitely going to be intaking a lot of vegetables for the next couple of weeks. So I did purchase some mushroom here. Alright, so I'm going to use that for meat. And then I did purchase this green split peas. I'm going to make soup with that, veganize that up. And then I did get some onions. I have onions already, but I have the other one, the purplish color one. This one, I just decided to get it just because. Now, as far as the banana is concerned, I decided just to pick up 2 because they go bad very fast. And I did get some scallion here and some parsley. Parsley, it's not a parsley, no, this is cilantro. All right, so that was pretty cheap. This was like 89 cents, y'all. And then I did pick up some cheese. This is shredded Monterey Jack cheese and jalapeno peppers. So I did decide to get this one, the Aldi's brand here. And then I did get these steamed broccoli stir fry. because I'm planning to do some recipes for you guys. And I'll be eating a lot of vegetables, like I said, for the next couple of days, weeks, rather. All right, so this is a partial part of the groceries. All right, so that's a lot, right? So over here, I did pick up this seasoned fry because I am going to be cooking that fish over there, right here. This fish right here, guys, is the milk fish. And if you guys don't know about milk fish, go ahead and Google this fish. Now, this fish, they say, is a cancer curing fish. Okay, them say salmon good for you, yes, but they said this fish right here, this milk fish, is no joke. Okay, now the only thing that I don't like about the milk fish is that it does have a lot of fine bones in it. But if you Google this milk fish, they will tell you this fish, they say, cure cancer. Whether you have cancer or not, you should intake this fish. So I've been eating a lot of this fish right here, a lot of this fish, and I'm going to be cooking it up. I'm going to be baking it, actually, so I can get all that natural juices and everything from the fish. I'm going to add some of the seasoned fry when I bake it, and add some fresh veggies to it, like the mixed veggie that I just showed you. But anyways, let's talk about the other things that I did find in Aldi's. Okay, I got the milk, the almond milk here. My milk goes very fast because I make a shake every day for my husband's lunch. So, but I did pick up one because I don't want it to go bad anyway. I'll just go back and get another one if that's the case. And then I picked up some heavy whipping cream for cooking purposes. And I picked up this pasta sauce. This one is this is just vegetables. This is organic. All right, so that's just all vegetables in there. Tomato, garlic, onion and stuff is in that one. And then I did pick up some cream of corn is what I got, and some sweet corn. I'm gonna make some recipes too. And I did pick up the pineapple chunks. I did get some cream of mushroom, you guys, but I'll show you guys that later. Did I get it here? Yeah, this is a cream of mushroom that I purchased. So I'm going to do some recipes with that because you guys have requested. And then I'm going to do some vegan recipe. So I did get the black bean and I did get the chickpeas right there, the cooked one. And some sour cream. This is the cream of mushroom, the cream of chicken. So we're going to do some recipes with that. And this. So look out for that. Okay, those are biscuits. And then I did get some cottage cheese. Now next up, I did get a bread. Let me tell you something, guys. I don't eat bread a lot, but my husband does because I have to make breakfast for him every single day. And I do make a sandwich for lunch for him. Okay, so the one that I usually buy from Aldi, they didn't have it. It seems to have run out of stock, but they had this one, 100% wheat bread. So I decided to get this one so I could make his sandwiches for him. Okay, and so that is what I got in Aldi's, you guys. This is what I got in Aldi's. So this is what I got in Aldi's, you guys. All of that, all of this right here, and all of this right here for under $100. And again, here's my receipt. $91.44, all in Aldi supermarket. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think this is a flip, or do you guys think this is a flop? Okay, let me know down below what you guys think, if I did save money, or if you have any suggestions of where I could go to get food at a cheaper cost than Aldi's does. Let me know down below. But I think I did pretty good in Aldi's is what I think, right? Anyway, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope that this was interesting, and I do hope that you did find this one helpful. If you guys have never been in Aldi supermarket, go ahead and check them out. You might have one close to where you live, and so on and so forth, okay? Because I pretty much think they're worldwide, but they're not maybe international. I don't know. But anyway, Aldi's is pretty much like everywhere in the US, I think, okay? So go ahead and check them out. And let me know down below what you guys think. I will see you in the next video. Until then, my darlings, take care. Thumbs up the videos on your way out for sure. Take care of yourself. Much love. Bye.